Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how I draw nose using simple methods and using simple shapes. Here I will break nose into simple shapes like big shapes to small shapes. Okay, we are gonna draw using this shapes, big shapes and small shapes. First of all, let's draw this nose using simple shapes. First of all, I will take a triangle shape to indicate the nose shape. Then I'm gonna draw a tiny triangle inside the big triangle. Basically, I drew this triangle to indicate the tip of the nose, the exact position of the tip of the nose. Okay, and tip of the nose and bottom plane of the nose, and this part is the bottom plane of the nose. Okay, then I will take a new layer, decrease the opacity of this layer, of the underlying layer. Then I will find the inner corner, outer corner of the nose. Then I will draw these corners of the nose in both sides by putting two angular brackets. In some other cases, the outer line of the nose is like brackets, normal brackets. Okay, and we will draw both nostrils like this. We will find both nostrils like this. And here is the nose bone. And here is the extras. And this is the bottom plane of the nose, and we can slightly shade under the bottom plane of the nose to indicate the light direction. Okay, here we go. Here we drew the front face of the nose. So this is the structure of the front face of the nose. Okay, so basically I used this triangle to show the bottom plane of the nose and the tip of the nose. Okay, now we will learn to draw nose from 3/4 view, and I'm gonna take a triangle like this. Okay, to find the tip of the nose, I can put a point on this and draw a triangle like this inside the big triangle. We will draw a small triangle like this and find the corners of the nose by putting the angular brackets, and find the nostril. It will start from here to this. Yes, it's another triangle. There are three planes are there. Okay, we will define this nostril. And we will erase the extras. Okay, here we go. We will shade a little bit. we will erase the extras, and this is the nose bone. And here we go. We drew a beautiful nose from 3/4 view. And you will look at this nose. We will apply the same method as we did it before. Take a triangle shape and find the inner triangle and find the corners of the nose. I'm not exaggerating the method, okay? I'm just keeping it simple so that you can learn the simple method. Okay, let's shade this. If you look at this image, the nose is a little bit crooked. Okay, this is a slightly bent angle. So we will draw like this, and we take a triangle like this. Okay, we will find the tip of the nose. This is not actually, see, here is not, this is triangular. Okay, this is slightly bent. The shape is like this. So we will draw the exact shape like this and find the corners of the nose and find the nostrils and fill it with black color. Okay, and we drew a nose from crooked angle and is slightly bent. And if you don't want these guidelines, you can erase them as well. Now we will draw nose from side view. And for this, I'm gonna take a triangle like this. Okay, and draw a triangle like this. And find the inner corners and find the nostrils and find the tip of the nose. Here the tip of the nose will start. And draw the edge. Let's shade this nose. And we drew the nose from side angle view. And this is simple. Take a big, this is triangular in shape, and I have added another triangle like this to indicate the lower part of the nose or the lower plane of the nose. In this nose, the nose is coming out of the face. This is like popping out from the face. So we will have to draw like this. So take a triangle like this, and this is a triangle, and draw another triangle like this. And this is for the bottom part of the nose. decrease the opacity, take a new layer and draw the nose according to the reference. And I will find these inner corners and draw this edge to indicate the bottom part of the nose, and shade this with a simple round brush to indicate the shadows and to separate the shadows and lights. And we drew a beautiful nose. Wow, this is looking awesome. Here the character is looking upwards, okay, that's why. And this is the bottom plane of the nose. Is more dominant, that means the visibility of the bottom plane of the nose is more than the front face of the nose, okay, that's why the structure of the nose will look like this if a character is look like this, if a character is looking upwards, okay. Then we will find the corners of the nose and find the nostrils like this, then fill it with the black color, and we will indicate this with the slightly with this triangle. The nose will look like this if a character is looking upwards, okay. If you take a triangle like this and find the tip, because she is looking downwards, that's why this upper part of the nose will be revealing more than the lower part of the nose, okay. Then we will find the corner of the nose and fill it with the black color to indicate the shadows and define this. And this is the nose bone. And the nose will look like this from if a character is looking downwards. Thanks for watching this video, and do like and subscribe if you like this video.